my spooky friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are turning ourselves into the fabulous Miss Jessica Rabbit. This video was done back in October, and it was a look I did in October, and this was a video that was meant to go up in October, but I just never got around to it. So my apologies, it's coming up now, but I had completely shaved my eyebrows off because I had done the Hex Girls photo shoot with my two best friends, Bailey and Lauren. I'm sure you guys saw that in October. I don't know what I was doing there. I get a little weird sometimes while I'm recording. But anyways, I had shaved my eyebrows off for that look, for those photos. So this thin eyebrow that Miss Jessica Rabbit's got going on actually worked out very perfectly by me not having any eyebrows. So it made it a lot easier for me to make that thin brow. So I just used my Benefit pomade, and then I used my Plouise base to clean it up, and now I'm just packing the base all over my lids. And I'm going to be using this palette from Colourpop. It's the Witching Hour Hocus Pocus palette, the second Hocus Pocus collection that came out from Colourpop, which was last year in 2021. The first one was in 2022, I believe, or 2020? I don't know. There's too many 20s going on, okay? 2020 is the original Hocus Pocus. Last year, 2021, was this Hocus Pocus collection from Colourpop. Yes, there we go. I just woke up. I need coffee. You know, I'm doing my best. I used that palette, and then I'm going in with my Spoiled Cosmetics palette, this cute one with the skull cupcake on the cover, and I'm just using some of the purples from that shade to really intensify the purple from the Colourpop Hocus Pocus palette, and I'm just really softening everything up, blending it out. I went for a very round shape. I didn't want myself to look like a cartoon, but I wanted to look like Jessica Rabbit. You know, but I didn't want to look too cartoony. Like, I wanted this to look like I was a real person. I wanted to stick with the round shape of her eyeshadow, but obviously, like, not draw my lids on like she has hers. So I stuck with the round shape. I did a little skinny winged liner, very skinny for me, and I did a little inner corner point, but very gently. I went ahead and did my complexion, my contour, my foundation, my concealer. I took just a little bit of the purple, not a lot at all, and just very lightly dusted it on my lower lash line. And then I'm using the Ciate Jessica Rabbit highlight, which I got a few years ago when they came out with the Jessica Rabbit collection, because hello, I had to have it. I have the palette as well. Very cute. Very cute. After I did all of my liner, I'm going to go ahead and do my lashes now. I'm using my Colourpop mascara. I love this mascara. And then I'm going in with my Milani The Hollow eyelashes. I put these on and then I realized they were not enough, and not enough like flare that I was looking for. So I added these Anastasia ones on top, and they really gave that kind of like winged out lash look that I was wanting to kind of follow the winged liner, you know, to give that sultry, sexy Jessica Rabbit look. You know what I'm talking about. I popped on my powder room wig. Something I really want to get better at this year, it's actually like a goal of mine, is to get better at wigs and make them look more natural. So that's a huge goal of mine. Okay? Wait till the end of this year. You're going to see a huge improvement on my wigs, okay? Just you wait and see. I lined my lips with a Huda Beauty brown lip liner, and now I'm going in with this Milani liquid lipstick that was from their 2021 Halloween collection. So cute, but the perfect shade for Miss Jessica. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was a very, very quick tutorial, I know, but Jessica Rabbit has very simple makeup, so if you recreate this, please tag me. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I will catch you in my next YouTube tutorial. Bye!